The Carousel, it's a very big reflection of what I do. It's this sort of freedom, this idea of not having any fear to combine things in the most crazy way. When I'm creating, I want to be crazy. I don't have any limits. For me, that's the challenge. It makes me be alive. So I try to satisfy my intuition, my curiosity, by trying to go somewhere I've never been. And I love that. It has movement, it has joy, it's a celebration, for everyone. It's for kids, it's for adults, it's for everyone to look at. But at the same time, it's in a beautiful, magical context of these mountains, which are powerful. Be surrounded by these mountains in the world of Swarovski is actually, it's an honor. It's kind of like a great opportunity. Swarovski is one of these companies that look at all the different items that need to be explored to create something very new. But at the same time, they have this super respectful idea about that creativity is actually the main thing. And with that in mind, you can do miracles.